Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by proving you own the device and preserving your data. Back up everything, cloud and local, so you can restore later. Once done, collect enrollment details, the managing organization, the account used to enroll the device, and the device serial or ID. Make sure you have authorization or written approval ready. Unauthorized removal can violate policies. This step prevents accidental data loss and ensures the removal path is legitimate, which saves time when you contact the administrator or vendor. Next, contact the MDM administrator or vendor and request official unenrollment. Provide the collected device ID and proof of ownership, and ask them to remove the device from the MDM console or to generate an unenrollment token. Once they act, follow their instructions exactly. This may include a remote command, an account change, or a local confirmation step. If the device is vendor-managed, open a support ticket and note the expected timeframe. This coordinated approach prevents configuration drift and preserves warranty and support. Finish by verifying the device is actually unenrolled. Reboot, inspect management profiles, and test for removed restrictions. Once confirmed, reinstall or reconfigure the apps and restore your backup. Make sure 2FA and account access work as expected. If something fails or restrictions remain, escalate with the administrator or vendor and provide your ownership proof and ticket number. Do not attempt unauthorized bypasses. This final verification ensures the device is clean and that you retain support and warranty coverage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.